Hi guys, today okay, but today I'm going to be testing. I don't know if I'm testing, but I don't even know anymore. I'm just showing you / testing my fidgets. Here's my first one. Hold on, I'm just gonna take certain ones out at a time. Poppet category. Just normal sized poppets. It cannot be big and it cannot be small. So I'll take out all my normal sized poppets. Give me a sec. Wait, dimples don't count. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's hard to carry them. Got it? Nope, it's not. No, it's big. That's big. I think these are all my poppets. Okay. Here are all of my poppets. Normal sized. Not big, not small. So here's a circle. It's a circle poppet. Rainbow circle. It's basic. This was my first ever fidget. My mom gave it to me. I didn't even know about them. She's the one who told me about them, actually. Next is a pastel rainbow unicorn poppet. And then a pastel rainbow, just heart poppet. A darker rainbow circle poppet. Owl. Yes, okay. I went into the days very hardly. So, yeah. Square poppet. Rainbow square poppet. So we're going to put them over there. Oh, okay, now our giant poppets. Actually, not giant, but just like giant poppets, I guess I'll call them. A flimsy Christmas tree. Yay! But here, let me get the rough side down, and then I'll show you guys the pops of it. This is the hard side. Give me a sec. I'm gonna be quiet. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. This is the loud side. Okay. Yeah, that was the loud side. God bless you. A sussy baka. Oh crap. God bless you. It's basically a giant tie-dye Among Us poppet. Yes. Now our mini poppets. Trying to find the mini poppets. Oh my gosh, they're so small I can't even find them. Oof. No spoilers. Stop trying to look. Okay. Mini poppets. Yay! Okay. Oh god, I couldn't see that. Take it away. Okay. Flatten it. Just flatten it. And just be flat for a second. Introducing mini poppets. Okay. Yes, I have 3 mini poppets. So, okay. I have a mini circle. It's very, very small. Yeah, and then I have a very small poppet, and it's the same colors. Yes. And then I have this small mini bear poppet. It has a bear on it, but it's hard to see. It's cute. Next are anything like squishy, like just squishies in general. not only needle, not needles. Oh my god, that's scary. Needles. Not only needles. Anything that you can squish. Besides monkey noodles and stuff like that. You know, it's hard to explain. Squishies. Okay. Okay. Get. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of these. Not mochis, by the way. I don't eat mochis. I do not. Okay. I'm gonna shut up. Recording. I'll come in a second. Hold on, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, guys. So, see if I have any more. Okay. All my squishies, really? I felt like that. Okay, that is not it. I have one last one. There's in the saloon. It's not like anything that you can squish, like what I meant by when I said that. I think you guys understand, but my soul doesn't understand that you can understand what I'm saying. Just general squishies. Squishies! No, that isn't it, sorry. Squishies! So, I painted this when I was 7, which was actually a pretty long time ago if I think about it now. Squishy. And then hold on. You're hiding something from me. I definitely have another one. I remember the look. Oh, it was just behind me. Okay. And I painted this when I was 7 too. It's raspberry cotton candy. I don't think that's a thing, but yeah. Okay, a squishy, but it comes through the holes and it makes all that. Literally, I was using like a lot of strength. You guys are probably, some of you guys might be making fun of me right now. I'm sorry. It's actually really hard to squish because you have to squeeze the net. It's not like squishing a normal squishy, I swear. This broke, so I had to put tape over it, which it's not really gonna do very much, but just so they don't spill out every single time that I take it out of the bag. Here's a poop I got it at the arcade, and then a donut that I got at the arcade, the same arcade, I think. A Neato, which all of my cousins are obsessed with, even my friends are. I really don't know why, but I mean, it's pretty nice, but still, I don't understand. And then I tried to be like Mariah Elizabeth, like, I don't know, 4 years ago. And I tried painting this, but then I decided no. And I erased all the paint. It's very weird. I do not like this. Oh. Okay, so. Okay, next are all of my mochis. If you don't know what mochis are, excuse you, how do you even know fidgets? I'm not making fun of you, I'm just like, what? But anyway, oh my god. I have a double mochi. It might be a triple, I don't know. I didn't have the time to look at how many. Sounds so loud in here. Okay. So, I have a Santa Claus mochi. Looks like his eyes were about to pop out. God. Okay. Panda. Suffocating. Anyway. A pink unicorn, which is very ugly. Okay. A heart. Where did the other heart go? And that is not a panda. It's a polar bear. Got stuck in my hair. Polar bear. I have no idea where the other heart went. Oh, there. It fell out of my hand. The other heart. See here. Oh, crap. 2 hearts. It's a sandwich. Don't eat fidgets. I just went, here's it from a different angle. Yeah, don't eat fidgets. Next is anything dimple related, which I have a lot of dimple stuff, so. Oof. So much. Oh, freak. I forgot about a mochi. Sorry, chicken. Peep. Beep. Okay, sorry. I'm pretty sure Appleman has one of them. She's a YouTuber, if you don't know of her. She's a good YouTuber. She does art. She draws characters. Anyway. Yes, so we get it. I like Appleman. Okay. So, it's hard to see because there's lumps in the blanket. Thanks a lot, blanket. I'm gonna stop. I have an art dimple. I have a dimple spinner. A very low quality dimple spinner. It's literally made out of plastic. But we're not going to mind that today. And it makes no pop noises, barely. Here, listen. I literally just popped one and it made no noise. Ow, this one's really hard. But it's this triangle simple dimple. It's not really a simple dimple because simple dimples have two. If I could just cut off the green, it would be a simple dimple. But I am not allowed to make a simple dimple. Oh my god, I can make another simple dimple by cutting the green off again. This one is a heart dimple. I'm obsessed with it because it's soft on both sides. One of them, it doesn't make a lot of noise, but it's very soft. And the other side, it makes a lot of noise. Here, just listen. So that was the quiet but very soft side. Dimples usually don't make a lot of noise, so it's fine though. Okay, and then I really like this one. So basically, you can spin it. You spin it. It's a fidget spinner. Okay, here. And then it gives you a face all frowny. Oh, okay. I want to get happy. Happy because I'm happy. Bro, why do I keep on getting sad faces? Yay. Okay. Rigged. What emotion am I? Okay, but okay, you saw that. And then last but not least, it's pretty much the same thing as this. It's a different type of tie-dye though. See, this is one of them and this is the one that we're writing right now. Testing right now. I don't know. Showing you / testing. I don't know. Yeah. Yes. Next are any monkey noodles. Just monkey noodles. It could be textured, it could be untextured, it could be any size. Just monkey noodle. Oh, crap. Don't see them. everything monkey.
This was my grandma's.
Recording. Recording. Okay. Here are all of my monkey noodles. Here's a textured unicorn monkey noodle. Giant monkey noodles. Mini monkey noodles. And normal monkey noodles. And whatever this is, so basically you put it on your finger, and then you do this. Oh, crap. It's one of those things that you pretty much get at the doctor. I don't know why, but it turned into a fidget, so I'm using it in my fidget pile. It's looking okay in there. Whee! Okay, ready? I'm obsessed with doing this for some reason, but I never do it. And then it unwraps on its own. It's kind of scary because I don't know how it does it, but it does it. Ah! Okay. My cat is trying to attack it. It needs a little boost. Okay. Pop tubes. Oh crap, something else came with it. So okay, so yeah. We already know how the pop tubes are, so we don't need to be doing that. Next are seizure warning. Please skip. They aren't very good right now because they've been going on all night, but they have like flashing lights and it really hurts my eyeballs. I don't have that thing and it won't give me a seizure. It just hurts my eyes because of the flashing lights. Don't know why. Recording. So these are dimple poppet bracelets. Fidget spinner, poppet, simple dimple bracelets. I don't know. They're weird, but they're cool. Wacky tracks, I only have 2, but they're stick together right now, so it looks like one, but it's really cool. Fidget spinners. And if you're mad at me for putting the dimple spinners in the dimple section, that's because they're dimple spinners. I mean fidget spinners. Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. I have an Ariel emoji fidget spinner. Okay. And I just have a metal rare. My friend told me it was rare or something. Because it's real, like, metallic. I don't know, like, it's supposed to be real something, like, whatever material it's made out of, or I think it's, like, real something, because it's actually pretty heavy. It kind of hurts my fingers, so I'm going to put it away, but, yeah, I have no idea. Next are anything that's tie-dye. Oh, I mean, this isn't tie-dye, but it's colorful. I'm adding it anyway, and you're not going to get mad at me. Okay, I have this tie-dye, it's like, okay, it's doing something in my brain, but I have no idea. So, I forget what it's called, but yes. And then the remote fidget. Yeah, whatever that is. Then I just said the name. It's a tie-dye one. Then, rubber band free. Poof. Okay, I'm gonna stop. And now, any random fidgets. Just random fidgets that didn't really go with any of the categories. So, we made a whole category of them. I'm sorry, Ninja. I just kicked my cat on accident. Ah, God, now I feel bad. Steven, what were you doing? Sorry about, whatever I'm doing. I'm just trying to get the random fidgets. Okay, I got them. So for random fidgets, it's all of these. I have, I don't know what they're called, but they're, crap. Okay, so I have, like, things that you put on your finger. Yeah, I'm obsessed with them. They were literally, like, my favorite fidget. They were my dream fidget, and I got them for my birthday. From my cousin. Thank you, Dorothy. Okay, anyway. Then I have this random coronavirus ball. Except it's blue. It doesn't actually have corona in it. It's just coronavirus. Because it has, like... I have no idea how to solve this. Please, guys, if you can, please tell me. Oh, wait, I see now. Oh, my God. I feel dumb. Is this supposed to do that? Please don't call me dumb. I have no idea what this is. I've never heard of this fidget. So, I thought it was a Rubik's Cube ball. Is it? And, like, you put... I guess you have to take all these pieces and take all these pieces out and put them all back in. Is that what you have to do? Someone tell me before I freaking get hate. And I'll just edit it in and be like, oh yeah, I know what this is. It's a, whatever it is. How do you put it back in? Okay, I'm gonna shut up. So I have a Slinky. I'm pretty sure that's a fidget. And then a dinosaur. Oh, it's a dinosaur pea popper, actually. It's a very random one. They have different faces. And, okay, I'm gonna stop. And then these random things to put on fidgets. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna grab my fidgets and yeet them in. Did anything fall? No. Now this is how to get work done fast, kids. Oh God, the whole thing's falling apart. Did this fall off the remote controller thing? No, what? What? How did that fall off? I didn't do anything to it. Bro, this is new. Oh, okay. It clips back on. Yay. I don't really care if they get damaged while I'm throwing them. All I care about is getting this done fast. Especially because right now I'm recording. Even though I could just simply pause the video so you guys don't need to go through this pain and misery. Actually, this might be satisfying. Okay. Yep, here are all my fidgets. Oh, crap. Not all of them. I forgot some. Here are all of my fidgets. Goodbye. Well, that is it for now. If you enjoyed, click the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!